Well, started doing the restoration of the OEM plastics for the rear of the 89 trx250r. A lot of fucking work, but it's getting there. Started at 220 grit, went to, actually no, I started at 180, went to 220, to 320, then I went to 400, then 600, and that's where I called it a day. Still gotta go 800, 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000 to get it where it needs to be before I buff them out. But they're getting there slowly. And as you can see, even in the dark, big fucking color difference between the aftermarket Mayer fenders and OEM. So it'll be nice to get some fucking real plastics on it. I don't like those Mayers. Look like shit. I also have OEM front fenders that I'll restore after the rear are done. One thing at a time. It takes forever to do this shit.
You always go.
Other than that, it's pretty good. Sanded down the shrouds too. Brought those to 1,000, so those polish up nice. Yeah, that's where we're at. Getting there. I also have a pet of aftermarket pegs coming in. Set of fucking Nerf bars. We'll slap them both on, see what looks better. I do have a set of Gibson long travel arms with Axis triple rate shocks in time. I'm going through the process of rebuilding them right now. Still needs shit. Still needs a grab bar. Still needs fucking exhaust hangers. Fucking bunch of shit. I got a extended axle in the garage too that I'm gonna throw in there. I want to get an aftermarket shock, still stock. Definitely need to get a fucking extended stem. This old dirty whore is fucking way too short, especially with the fucking oversized tank. It's just too low. Too fucking low. But fun little fucking toy this is though. That much I can say. She fucking rips. And I love it. It ain't my trikes, but definitely fucking fun. Can't beat the fucking old two-strokes. Alright, stay tuned. More to come.